Hello, it's CathySheaSchool.com here in Florida. Packing my bag to go to Europe again. Our annual trek since 1995, and just enjoying life as we learn, teach, and travel around. So what I want to share with you today was an insight that I had personally that has translated into my professional sharing that I get to do. So much of what I've experienced with my teeth and my health in general has allowed me to learn more so I could share more and pass it on, especially to my team in 35 countries. Qualified professionals, CathySheaSchool.com, click on Find a Therapist, trusted caregivers for you. So the insight I had about a year ago during teaching was, what am I really teaching? And I came up with embodiment education. This is the ability that we cultivate to really listen to the signals of our body, whatever that happens to be. And while I was exploring that for my student lectures, I realized I never get hungry in my stomach. I never feel hunger in my tummy. I don't get hunger pains or growling or any of that. So I started asking myself, how do I know I'm hungry? And here's what I came up with. And it's kind of like a fairy tale, but it's real. You might remember Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Well, that was a little bit of an inspiration for this because I realize when I'm hungry, I get sleepy, I get dopey, I get mopey, I get loopy. I go into a room thinking I know what I'm there to find and I've lost focus. And then I get hangry. This is a word my girlfriend made up. When she's hungry, she gets irritable. She loses her temper. You can talk to my husband about that one. The other pieces that showed up, I was losing focus, not just with my attention, but with my eyes. And I was looking for my glasses, but I only use them to read. So I realized, oh, okay, well, maybe I'm hungry. I started feeling heat in my body, breaking out in a sweat. And I'm way past menopause. I'm going to be 70, so can't blame it on that. But I was in the air conditioning, sweating. And then last week I had another realization. I tripped on a step in our front step here at the school right before we were getting ready to serve lunch. And I began to feel loss of balance. And I went, oh, I must be hungry. So I want you to explore this ability to educate yourself regarding listening to your body, trusting your body, because your body wants to trust you to take care of it. Thanks for watching.